In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily use the copy trading feature on the platform WEEX. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on WEEX, you simply have to go down to the first link in the video description. Then you will get to exactly this page right here and you can get up to $30,000 in bonuses. As you can see, this is an exclusive offer to use. Some of the bonuses you can get directly after the sign-up, then after you've transferred some money to your futures account. And then here, these big bonuses are claimable after you reach certain trading volume milestones. To create your account, simply enter your email address right here and then click on sign up and receive a new user gift. After that, you simply need to set a password and you already created your account. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, you will get to this page right here. And the first thing I want to show you, of course, is how you can deposit money. So to deposit crypto, you simply go up here and click on deposit. Then up here, choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. In my case, I'm going to choose USDT, for example. Then select a network. In my case, I'm just going to choose the TRC20 network, so the Tron network. Just make sure that you're using the same network as for the exchange or wallet where you're sending the money from. Then down here, I can see my personal deposit address, which I can now copy to my clipboard right here and then send the crypto over here. I recommend you, if you're sending larger amounts, to first send a small test transaction, and once you've received everything right here, send the remaining amount with a second transaction. So this is how you can easily deposit any cryptocurrency. As you can see, there's many different cryptocurrencies available on here. The good thing about WEEX is that you can use the entire platform without any KYC verification, so you can just easily deposit and withdraw with crypto on here and trade as much as you want without having to reveal any personal information. That's very good, but a small downside is that you cannot directly deposit any fiat currencies. So if you don't have any crypto yet, or you want to deposit with US dollars, euro, British pound, whichever fiat currency you have, you cannot do that directly. However, I have another video on my channel where I explain you step by step how to do that by buying crypto on another exchange first and then sending the crypto over here. That's also a very simple method. So if you're interested in how to do that, simply search for fiat deposit WEEX on my channel and you will find the video where I explain how to do that. Once you've made any deposit, we can go back here to our asset overview, and here you will be able to see if any of your deposits have already arrived in here. So once we have money in here in our account, you need to make sure that you convert it to your futures account by simply going here to transfer, choose from spot to futures, USDT, select how much you want, and then once you have it in here in your futures account, we can now use it to use the copy trading feature. And to get there, we simply go up here to copy trade. Then you will get an overview of all the different traders in here. You can search for a specific one or filter them down by different metrics. In my case, I'm simply going to choose one here, and then I can see all the different statistics about this trader. So what is his history, all the trades that he's made, how much profit he's made, his copiers, how much profit they have made, and if he has any active trades. As you can see, currently he doesn't have any open, but I can still check his history, for example. And if I go up and if I want to follow a trader, I can just go here and click on copy. Then I can first of all see here his profit share ratio. So 10% of the profits we will make in here will go to the trader and the rest will be ours. If you scroll down, you can do many different settings in here. So which trading pairs do you want to follow? Which margin mode should be used? How much money should be used for each trade? In my case, I'm just simply going to type in here $10, for example. And I can also add advanced settings if I want to put a certain stop loss or take profit at any amount, but I'm simply going to leave that off for now and just click on next. Then I will see an overview, so $10 for each position if he opens any, and click on confirm. And now you will see I'm already copying this trader. If you scroll down, you would see active open trades in here. Currently, the trader hasn't opened any trade, but once he opens trades, you will see them in here. And also your history. If you go to copied traders, I can see now this is the trader that I'm currently copying. And once he opens trade, I will also see with how much money I'm copying the trader and how much profit I'm making. Of course, you can follow multiple traders in here with different amounts and then check which one of them is performing the best. And of course, in the end, if you want to edit any of the values or unfollow a trader, you can just go here to edit and then either switch up any of these metrics, make any changes to the amounts, or if you just go in here and click on stop copying, confirm it, then you're also out of the copy trading again. Don't forget to pick up the best sign-up bonus possible with up to $30,000 in rewards by using the first link down in the video description. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.